Hi, kindergarten. Today we are going to be reviewing two of our sight words we learned before break and be introduced to our new sight words for the week. We are going to follow the read, spell, write routine. So if you want to get out a piece of paper and a pencil to write, this would be a good time to do so, or you can just write the word with your finger in the air. Our first sight word that we are going to review is the word me. The word is me. Your turn. Say the word me. The word is spelled M-E. Your turn. Spell the word me. Now, let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word me. The next sight word that we are going to review is the word here. The word is here. Your turn. Say the word here. The word is spelled H-E-R-E. Your turn. Spell the word here. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word here. Okay, so now it's time for our new sight words for the week. The word is this. Your turn. Say the word this. The word is spelled T-H-I-S. Your turn. Spell the word this. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word this. Our second new word for the week is the word what. The word is what. Your turn. Say the word what. The word is spelled W-H-A-T. Your turn. Spell the word what. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word what. Now, before we go, let's look at some sentences. Try to read these sentences and point to the words what and this. Good luck!